everyone. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Couple quick things I wanted to check in on before Monday. With conferences, we're not seeing each other right now, and we don't have school on Friday, which is amazing. But there's a couple things I wanted to tell you before Monday so you know what's happening and coming your way in English class. All right, so guys, let's take a look here. So you guys did your asynchronous work for Thursday, and Wednesday, you looked at your independent reading assignment. Thank you guys for what you did there. Today, on Thursday, you have a calendar you're going to fill out. So based on that book that you're thinking about reading, fill out the calendar, giving yourself a couple of weeks here on what you think you can accomplish and when. You are not tied or married to this deadline, but it's just a good way to get you thinking. We'll talk more next week about these things, but I want you to spend some time today planning a little bit ahead on how you're going to read that book. If you do not know how many pages your book is, you can just Google, how many pages is Harry Potter #4, and it will tell you because Google is amazing. Great. Okay, second thing, on your survey, a large number of you told me that you picked a book you have already read. That is awesome. I have nothing against books. Books are the best. However, our goal is to find something new for us. So please make sure that you pick a book that you have not read yet, because we want to try something new. So you may need to go back today and spend some time there. Groovy. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, things are going to look a little bit different in English class. Here is what I need from you. We have some new students joining us, so I will be meeting with them for part of it, and then we are breaking up into reading groups. So I want to show you what just next Monday and Tuesday are going to look like. In those meetings, we'll talk about what our schedule looks like from here on out, but just for Monday and Tuesday. So on Monday, first you need to find your reading group. Sorry, I forgot that. So below this, you have a link that has your reading groups. Find your name there, okay? On Monday, I'm going to meet with our new students from 8:30 to 8:50 in our meet. So make sure that you are not there for that time because it's already stuff you know. Then whenever your reading group is called, you need to come, okay? So make sure that you know what time your reading group is meeting because I'll be waiting in the meet for you guys. So we'll have from 8:55 to 9:15, we will have the red group meet. And then from 9:20 to 9:40, the yellow group will meet. You cannot join another group. This is really important that you're in the group I've assigned you to. We'll talk more about why when we get there. So please make sure that you are there at the right time. If you are not in the red or yellow group, you are working on the asynchronous work that I've posted on Monday, okay? And then Tuesday, same thing. I'm going to meet with the new students again from 8:30 to 9:50, and then the blue group will be from 8:55 to 9:15, and the purple group will be 9:20 to 9:40. So you are essentially doing asynchronous work until your synchronous meeting. You have plenty of asynchronous work to do. So for instance, if I am in the blue group, I will be spending Monday doing my asynchronous work, and then meeting with Miss Allison and wrapping up the asynchronous work. If I'm in the red group, I will meet with her pretty quickly after I look at my asynchronous work, right? Like 10-15 minutes into class there, and then I will have the rest of the time to finish my work. I hope this makes sense, okay? Email me if it doesn't. I want to make sure you are in the right spot. The other thing is we may need to move to Google Meets on Monday for the new students. They don't have Microsoft Teams. So read carefully. I hope you're watching this, okay? Last thing, some announcements below has some exciting things, so make sure you're looking at those announcements and getting everything else taken care of that you need to. Please read this whole post down below so you can get what you need. All right, guys, have a fantastic 3-day weekend, and thank you so much.